Today we are here for the unboxing of this beauty. Oh my gosh. The bamboo is why we're here. The brass hardware, the brass bamboo is why we are here. Hey Femmes, welcome back to the channel. I know that I said that I was going to wait before I ordered another Brandon Blackwood bag, but I had to do it. If you are new here, hello, I'm Turquoise. For the Femmes who are returning, y'all already know that I have been obsessed with the black Brandon Blackwood B Tote, and it came back in stock. The fall collection dropped on the 21st. I love so many pieces from it, but I had to get this bag. So, copped it. I didn't plan on filming this video today. This is super impromptu, but I wanted to unbox with you. For the last review, I had already opened the bag, but I want you to see how the packaging is and everything. So here it is. This came in the mail actually, I don't know how long I've had it. I think about at least 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. And I've been procrastinating on filming the video and I didn't want to wait any longer. So here we are today. Let's just do it. Okay. On October 21st, I believe it was, Brandon Blackwood came out with his new fall drop, and that's when this bag was re-released. And oh my god, the fall collection is bananas. Like, it's so good. But y'all already know this bag is my favorite. I thought that it was going to sell out again, but it hasn't. Like I said, I think that was around like late October, or October 21st might have been the exact date. I might be right. But as soon as the fall collection dropped, I snatched the bag up. It's still in stock. If you are interested in purchasing, I don't know if it's going to sell out, but if there is a chance, I wanted to do this review so that you can see how I feel about it and purchase it before it goes out of stock. I feel like the brand has done a good job of keeping everything in stock. I've been checking the site periodically, and it seems that all of the items that are there, you know, have consistently been available. I don't know if I should talk prices, but yeah, kind of like, I like to do that. I like to let you guys know exactly how much money you'll be spending and what you should set aside if you don't have it yet. Just, I like for people to know like what they should expect. So I think it was less than $400 before, but when I purchased it, it was $400 without tax. Can't remember what it was with tax. Oh, maybe I should look at this. Is it here? No, there's no pricing information there. So all of the bags come in this white branded bag. There is the thank you card that is really nice. It's a nice touch. This one is not, it doesn't have as much of a message on it as the last one did. Just as thank you for your purchase. Pretty cute. So, you know, the styrofoam is like, maybe it's not that sustainable, but it's super protective for the bag. Y'all, I just got a peek of the bag as I was taking this out of the box and I got chills. I got chills, they're multiplying. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long for this bag. Oh my god. Just as the other one, it comes in this super thick canvas. Wait, hold on. I'm sweating a little bit. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's talk about it. The bamboo is why we're here. The brass hardware, the brass bamboo is why we are here. And in person, she is not disappointing me. She is not disappointing me. Like, I love it. Okay, so I'm drawn to the bamboo, but the leather looks great. The stamp, you know, I do wish that this was not just stamped in gold. I wish that it was brass hardware, but I'm good. I'm good. Okay, so let's open it. So you have the strap that comes inside. That these that we have to take out. I did not take it out of my last bag. I used silica gel packets, right? I mean, I don't know if this is necessary to talk about all of this, but you know, you guys might want to know about this. The hell? So it's just that just gives the care instructions. So inside, well, let me take this off first. I should have brought my scissors in here. So cute, I love it. Stick that back inside for now. So where the care instructions were, that is basically a card slot, right? I would definitely only put cards in there. This is it's either a suede lining or a microfiber, micro suede lining. Then you just have the brand label in the back. Can you see that? That's in leather. And for the closure, let me take the plastic off of that so it can actually snap, but it's a snap closure. I've seen in previous videos, previous reviews, that can be a little cumbersome. I feel like that's only if you're trying to overstuff the bag, because otherwise, I'm good with that. Oh, people were saying like when they go in and out of it, it's a little annoying, but I'm not gonna be annoyed by that. What I am annoyed by are these care instructions that I want out. I want them off, but I don't have scissors right now. So, okay. Oh, it is a little annoying. It is. Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm into the size. I thought that I would think that it was too small, but I don't. I definitely don't. Okay, so let's undo the straps, check those out, and strap them on. This is black leather to match the bag. Obviously it would be, right? With the same brass hardware. There are 7 holes. I think I'm counting right. Is that 7? Yes, 7 holes, just like the last one. It's already in the 4th hole. The hardware, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Feels like brass. Can you see that? Doesn't feel like plastic or anything like that. It's weighty. So let's just strap those on. Hold on, guys. Sorry. It's gorgeous. Super happy with this. Super happy. Okay, let's see if I can try it on a little bit. Ooh, I like where that hits. Oh my god, so good. So good. Let's crossbody it. This is just like super quick, basic try on. But you guys can follow me on Instagram to see how I style it and to see exactly where it hits on my body. But, ooh, my hair looks crazy. As far as first impressions, I'm in love. So let me take that out and I'll show you if my phone can fit inside. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm a little nervous. I thought that it would definitely not fit, but it fits. It fits! Oh my god! I've seen so many people, when they're doing the reviews, they sit the phone up like this and they're like, that's the only way it's gonna fit. This is the only way it's gonna fit. That's not true. Not true. My phone is very important for me to have on a day-to-day, just like a lot of you people, I suppose, a lot of you girls. And I think as long as you put the phone in first, it'll fit. I mean, everything else is secondary. Oh my gosh, look at that. You see my phone in there, hanging out, chilling out, and look at the rest of the space that I have. Wow. Oh, a little bit of lint in there. I'll get that out later. But yeah, I mean, I don't have my wallet and everything with me right now. Like I said, this was super impromptu. All that I have is the knife. The little knife that I used to open the box. I have that, so this is like a total of 6 inches or so, and it's like has a little width to it, so that fits in there. It's good to know that I can be protected. And I can also put my wallet and my lip gloss and everything else, right? Obsessed. Completely, utterly obsessed. This bag has been worth the wait. I love it so much. And it's heavy. Yes, it's heavy. That bamboo that bamboo brass hardware is thick. She's a thick girl. She's weighty and she's worth it. So anyway, I just wanted to unbox this with you, give you guys my first impression, and let you see how this is straight out of the box. And that's it. This Brandon Blackwood bag, look at it. It's so good. I am going to rock the shit out of this. Oh, I need to shout out, is it Clarice or Clarissa? Where is her name? Okay, her name is Clarice Batilla or Batilla? No, Batilla. Clarice Batilla. She's the one that watched my review. Hey girl, hey. Shout out to you, because you told me that there was a $50 off coupon, and that's when I pulled the trigger. Now I remember, I just kept playing about the bag. I had it in my cart, and I just kept checking back every day for a few days, and I almost bought it. And then Clarice, you sent me a message, or you left a comment on my last video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, first of all, for watching, and then also for letting me know that the brand had emailed out $50 off coupons, and that's what I used. I almost forgot. That's what I used to purchase this bag. So I was so glad that I waited. I'm sorry that that promotion is not going on any longer, but if you have been wanting this bag, I would say absolutely, positively, 100%, 1000%, go get it. It's so beautiful. And then also, if you are not ready to drop however much this costs on the bag or on the brand just yet, consider getting the ESR. Those ESR totes were released on November 11th. Today is currently, I think it's the 14th. It's the 14th. So they've been out for 3 days. Let's see if those sell out. I'm not sure if they will, but girl, they might, because I mean, the price point, these bags are only $88. $88. So, being the shopaholic that I am, I'll probably get one of those today, actually. They're now made with recycled leather. And what the brand has done is that they've taken scraps of vegan leather and full grain leather from their previous products, put those together, and that's what the tote bags are now made out of. I think it's brilliant. It's super sustainable, and I love that for them. In addition to bags, Brandon Blackwood also now offers sunglasses, coats, and shoes. I think right now they only have those mink slippers or slides as far as shoes are concerned. But the glasses are cute. The glasses are cute. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. I feel like she's such a moment. Like, I have to like form an outfit around this, maybe to wear it for my birthday or something. My birthday is next month, but I'm gonna wear the hell out of this. You can dress it up and dress it down, and I'll be doing both. Follow me on Instagram, guys, and thank you for clicking in today and joining me. Mwah.